Hi, this is Lucy Piper. So it doesn't matter what's going on in the world right now, and we can't control everything. But one thing we can control. We can control and focus on our health and improve our immune system. And life is continue, and we have to breathe and eat and sleep and move and of course poop to clean our body every day from unwanted waste, viruses, bacteria and toxin. So we like or we don't like, we have to poop. Last time we talked about what causes slow motility and constipation, and some health condition, for example, like a thyroid dysfunction and for example, too calcium in the body. This all can cause slow motility, but you have to discuss this with your provider. Also, food like fiber important to build your microbiome to help your motility. Lifestyle like exercise, enough stomach acid, chewing your food, etc. Also, to help your bowel movement, fast way, you can just take some high dosage supplement like a magnesium, vitamin C, and this one will be also calm. So this is all can affect your bowel movement, but also everyday life emotion like stress and anxiety that can affect your digestive as well. So you need to learn how to transition from fight and flight mode to the rest and digest. And here's where the Epsom salt bath and castor oil pack is coming. So this is extremely helpful, useful, simple technique for your gut health and mental health. And that's what I'm going to teach you today. So Epsom salt bath is single and most effective stress relief tool. So also it's increased magnesium level in the body, which again help your motility. Increase sulfate level in the body, which is need for proper liver detox. Help the body get rid of toxin responsible for increased inflammation, and plus reduced swelling, stiffness and pain, particularly in people with arthritis. So, however, it can lower your blood pressure. So, if you already have low blood pressure, maybe this is a techniques not for you right now. So, what actually Epsom salt bath ingredients? So, about 1-3 cups of Epsom salt. And you can mix this with about 1 cup of baking soda. That is will be help reduce skin irritation. 6 to 12 drop essential oil. Any essential oil you can use for stress relief or maybe boost your immune system. And you dissolved everything this in a hot water, in a hot bathtub. So plan to take Epsom salt bath for about 20 minutes, at least twice a week, or even better for every day for a few weeks. So make sure you're relaxing at this time. So no taking like a phone with you or computer or other devices. Just listen to some relaxing music, or maybe just be quiet. So also most people think of taking Epsom salt bath in a bathtub, and not everybody have a bathtub, but you can get many of the same benefits by soaking your feet actually in Epsom salt, and it's also help with balancing your minerals. Just find a plastic tub or bucket and take Epsom salt food bath. Okay, second I want to talk about castor oil pack. And castor oil, it is a super vegetable oil. Castor oil pack was the oldest therapy existent and known since 4000 BC. Have so many benefits besides helping go through stress to relax. So you will be poop better, also better sleep, improve bowel, very important, help with food absorption, work as an anti-inflammatory, breaks down biofilm, anti-candida, stimulate dopamine, help with panic attack, help with the lymphatic system, improve microbiome even better than probiotic, improve alkalinity in the body. So when we actually body inflame, it means you probably have more acidic blood. But remember, your gut and blood acidity are two different things. And also help with the joint pain. In this case, you can just put castor oil over affected area. So that is why daily practice of castor oil pack is very, very important. The only restriction actually cannot use this only pregnant woman. So how to use the castor oil pack? Castor oil is not recommended to take internally except for people with a severe constipation, and you need to talk to your health provider. Externally, use the castor oil pack over your liver, and just before going to bed is actually the best time to use the castor oil pack. So you can buy castor oil pack, or you can just use old cotton soft towel or old tissue. So what you need to do, you just need to take a towel, put about 1-2 tablespoons castor oil on a towel, and put in area of the liver. Liver is located under your right breast or under right ribs in this area. So, and what you do, and you put also hot water bottle for about 20 minutes. And you can lie in bed and enjoy your reading your book. Also you can put directly castor oil right on your skin, and you use just when you're sleeping, you used your old t-shirt. That's what I usually do. And you can put on the top again hot water bottle. So some research shows that you need to put hot water bottle, and some actually not. So it's up to you. You know, sometimes I do, and sometimes I just, before go to bed, I put this castor oil right directly on my skin and use my old t-shirt. So, but what's very important, right? To use pure, organic, and come in a glass dark container. So it's also called press oil. So we want to use as clean as possible product, because this is the only oil which penetrate deep under your skin. And when we heal, and we want to try to be as clean as possible, and we don't want unwanted toxin in the body. So we can do this every night, or you can just rotate like 7 days. You use the castor oil, and 7 days you rest. But remember, always remember, to feel good and to live a good life, you have to practice healthy living, not just once in a while, but every day until it became your lifestyle. So this is Lucy Piper, your RA coach. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave comment below, and next time I will show you some ideas for your breakfast that can actually help you with bowel movement. And again, it doesn't matter what's happened in the world right now, we have to take care of ourselves.